Is China really behind the coronavirus outbreak? Now, this question has been in news for long, but there are not much proofs. But if you connect some clues together, you might get onto something. So, let's start. Now, in China, there are about 83,000 cases, out of which 77.5 have been cured, which is amazing. If you see the steps taken by the government of China so early in January, it's like they knew everything beforehand what measures are to be taken for this particular pandemic. China prevented coronavirus outbreak so well and better than all the other major European countries, which is hard to believe. China even did not let the virus spread in its own country. You can clearly see that coronavirus was mostly limited to Hubei and some neighboring states, whereas through China the virus was spread in the whole world. Now, President of China was absent from the media and then was seen in Wuhan, the worstly hit place in China, while wearing only a mask. And due to this, many questions were raised that how can a leader of such a big nation, whose government knew every step to prevent the pandemic, who is considered to be one of the most powerful person in the world, take such a great risk and go into the worstly hit city with just a mask. Now, some of the researchers say it is possible if he might have been injected with a vaccine before, but that's up to you viewers to think if it's true or not. Now, at the present, there are only 600 to 700 active cases in China, and China is the only nation to have stopped the spread of COVID-19. The country that sent faulty kits to different nations becomes the only country to stop COVID-19. China has even striked the prices of these things and is making profit out of this pandemic. China was even been seen buying shares of US based companies in low price. China was also seen to suppress the news of this new virus until it was spread in the whole world. Dr. Li Wenling, who was hailed a hero for raising the alarm about coronavirus in early days of the outbreak, has died of infection. Dr. Li tried to send a message to fellow medics about the outbreak at the end of December. 3 days later, police paid him a visit and told him to stop. And later on 30th December, he sent a message to fellow doctors in the chat group warning them about the outbreak and advising they wear protective clothing to avoid infection. 4 days later, he was summoned to the Public Security Bureau. He was told to sign a letter. In the letter, he was accused of making false comments that had severely disturbed the social order. You can read the whole article, the link is in the description. Dr. Lee found out about the virus and was stopped to spread the awareness. Now, the second case was of a Chinese doctor who first broke out the news of coronavirus spread in China and has gone missing. Dr. A. Fan is the director of the emergency department of Central Hospital of Wuhan, where the first case of coronavirus had emerged. She is medical personnel to disclose the 2019-20 coronavirus epidemic to the outside world. Her whereabouts are unknown since she gave an interview to the state-run magazine in which she spoke in detail about how Chinese authorities tried to hold the information regarding the deadly coronavirus, which has now spread to about 210 countries. The interview became proof of China's cover-up, as she told the world how China knew about the coronavirus way back in December and did nothing to stop it. Now the whole world is suffering from this pandemic, and China is restoring back to normal and trying to make money out of it. That's it for today. Thank you, and if you like my video, give my video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos.